Namaskaram and warm greeting to everyone. So, I am Sunita. I am very excited to share some wonderful news with you today.
We are proud to announce the grand opening of our new branch of Admits Foreign Education Overseas, that is, Admits Overseas Education Consultancy. Our mission is to help students like you fulfill your dream of studying abroad with complete guidance and support. Whether you are planning to study in any country, we have got you covered. We offer full assistance in course and university selection, application and admission process, SOP and resume preparation, visa guidance, pre departure support. Are you worried about expenses? Don't worry at all. We also help with education loan guidance through trusted banks. So, we assist with loan eligibility checks, application process, document support and quick approvals. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లోన్కి సంబంధించి 100% అప్రూవల్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ మార్టిగేజ్ లోన్స్ హౌసింగ్ లోన్స్ కూడా acceptable. It admits overseas education consultancy. We believe in personalized support, transparency, and trusted results. We have already guided many students to success, and now it's your turn. So, visit our newly opened branch and take the first step toward your international future. You can also reach us via call or WhatsApp. All contact details are in the description. Your dream of studying abroad is just one decision away. Make it with Admits Overseas Education Consultancy. మీరు ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీతో ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఫర్ మోర్ వాల్యుబుల్ అప్డేట్స్ మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ స్టే హ్యాపీ అండ్ కీప్ డ్రీమింగ్ బిగ్.